In this video, we'll talk about how to use this feature, the projects feature of GoMarble, and how you can use it to scale faster and also be more organized. One thing we always have is like, multiple campaigns running, multiple ad accounts to, analyze. This really cuts all of that down and you have multiple projects that you need, different campaigns, different, different brands that you're working with. This makes it all come together in one particular spot where you don't have to, think too much or like keep looking through your different files, right? So let's get to it right now. So suppose you have, a brand that you're working with, right? You have five or six brands, and each of them will have certain objectives, brand guidelines. They'll also have certain key KPIs that you need to keep in mind. So you first go in here and say, I'm going to write my own brand over here, Go Marble, right? Click on create project, and then what all services they provide, who the target audience is, their ad account IDs, the key KPIs, and also say that okay, the ROAS should never drop below 1.5. It depends on what you want, right? And you can also give a little bit of context to the brand right here. Once you've done this, here's one thing I really love about this tool, okay? Because you can add certain slides. Suppose you've done a client deck, you've got a deck from them, and these are the brand guidelines. You can just upload it over here, and GoMobile will use this, and without you needing to prompt at all, it'll have everything right there, right? Positioning docs, product catalogs. It depends on performance data, campaign reports, budget tracking. Everything you need, just upload right here and keep it ready so that when you start using this project, it will make it so much easier. All your chats will come right here. Whatever you've asked it, suppose you say, hey, audit the account or analyze my product or analyze the account. You can say, check my top creatives out. Who are my competitors? What are they doing? All of it will be shown right here. And the best part is you can also check out reports, and whatever reports that you generated for this particular brand will show up right here, right? Now, it's really, really interesting because you can do this for not only your brand, but for a campaign, for a particular, project that you're working on. It's so organized. It just makes your life so much easier. Uh, Trust me, this is going to supercharge your entire experience with GoMarble and your life as a media buyer or an agency or brand owner, because you need clarity, you need certain guidelines followed, you need organization, and that's one thing we all fall behind. I know I definitely do, but this has made my life so much easier. All right, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get all the updates and to know how to use this to keep yourself posted and updated on whatever's coming up next on GoMarble.